Philippines, we have three icons left, which are Michelle Obama, Maya Angelou, and Malala Yousafzai.
Michelle Obama.
Michelle Obama.
Your quote is, "No country can ever truly flourish if it stifles the potential of its women and deprives itself of the contributions of half of its citizens."
You have 30 seconds and it starts now.
As an architect, an actress, and a content creator, this is a testament that women can be multifaceted and thrive in male-dominated industries. As your Miss Global, I am a vessel of empowering women, embracing cultures, and embodying the beauty within. Thank you.
Thank you.